Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I am at Peterborough doing my first ever train videos. Today I am at Peterborough needing sidings. Just gonna have a look at some new units. So, fencing away. There's another 387 over there, which is, I can't see. Which is 117. So we got 387, 117, 317, 348. We have also got 365, 525, and another 387, which I have to go all the way at this corner to see, which is 114. So altogether there is 387, 117, 114, 317, 348 or 7, I can't remember which one I said, and 525. One 58857 on the Norwich. $43,300. 91,108 on the London King's Cross to Leeds. Oops, sorry about that. $175.21 on the Stansted Airport to Birmingham New Street. No. Here we have Class 91 going to London King's Cross, possibly from Leeds. And 91,112. Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Here is another Class 91, sorry for my finger, so another Class 91 going towards King's Cross, and this is West Riding Limited, 91,117. 43,308, Highland Chieftain. And 43,238.